I'm not going to learn anything about Joe Ledley or Joe Allen or Ashley Williams and Chris Gunter. They've been there so many times and know that. We wanted to give one or two of the new boys a taste of it. B, some of the guys who've not been with us for a while, we wanted them to, they needed to be reintroduced to it. There's a couple of debutants come through unscathed and enjoyed it and did well. And like I say, some of the other lads who've not been with us for a while, they got a bit more time on the pitch. So it was a positive night for us all round, really. Tom Bradshaw wasn't involved on Thursday because he'd had a bit of a problem with his hamstring. He just needed a bit more time, more TLC really with the medical team, which he's got, and he responded really well. So Tom's available for Monday. Ben's in my plans, he's available. Trained very well today with the group. And yeah, it's nice to have Ben back. He's fit and he's available for selection.
The game was one where I think going forward we're going to face a little bit more now. Teams coming or playing against us and sitting back, and sort of the onus is on us to break the team down a little bit more than what we faced in recent times, and I think that shows how far we've come. So I think from that game, we'll look back at it and certainly learn a couple of things from it, which is probably ideal for the manager and the staff because, like you say, you've still got a little bit of time before the summer. So yeah, I think it was a good sort of experiment. And obviously we got the late goal and it was important, to try not to lose the game. So I think it was a good night overall.